Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and I'd like to highlight a few items coming up this Tuesday, November 18th, at our next Board of Supervisors meeting. Our first public hearing in the afternoon at 3 p.m. will be a hearing on our proposed legislative program. This will be presented to our General Assembly delegation next month. This is your chance to weigh in with your views regarding Fairfax County's legislative priorities for the 2015 General Assembly session that begins in January. We will also hold a public hearing to rezone Tyson's West Park to permit a mixed-use development within a quarter-mile of the Greensboro Metro Station. This site will include some park amenities and part of the future grid of streets, key aspects that support the urbanization of Tyson's. Following our action at our last board meeting, the board will also hold a public hearing regarding the financing of 2 Silver Line parking garages. If approved, the board will use bonds to pay for the construction of the parking garages at the future Herndon and Innovation Center metro stations, together at a cost of $120 million. The county will own and operate these garages, and revenue from the parking would retire the debt. This financing structure reduces the overall cost of Phase 2 by using parking fees instead of general fund tax dollars. Also, as a follow-up from the last board meeting, we will hold a public hearing on the first step of the creation of a resident curator program in Fairfax County. This program, if created, would provide a unique option to preserve and maintain historic properties currently owned by Fairfax County. Tuesday morning, our board will congratulate the McLean Citizens Association for its 100th anniversary and recognize the Chantilly High School Drumline for its accomplishments as the Winter Guard International Championships in Dayton, Ohio. We will also designate December 1st, 2014 as HIV/AIDS Awareness Day in Fairfax County. To view more items on the agenda and to read our draft legislative program, visit fairfaxcounty.gov and click on Board of Supervisors. An engaged community is a well-served community, and I thank you for your interest in Fairfax County government.